Katong sa kuan mga falls na na ba sa dito falls? Or
Di Jum ni mo, di lang.
mura lagi sa lahi sa ko. Mas hindi ko na.
Hapit na, hapit na.
I-edit.
Sige. Banawi.
Sige.
Hello.
Banawi diri.
We are here in Banawi Rice Terraces.
Banawi na dito?
Sunog din niyo.
Ano rin gini ha? Name, you come to Banawi. Hi, say hi.
Say hello.
Say hi.
The video.
Video.
Mama ba?
Hi.
Ikaw balik. Ikaw balik. Sige na nga naman. Go back naman. Aw, isa deadline. Sorry, may turn up. Paso ba? Para namasal ba? Mga 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Ang ngayon, matay may. Mga flowers.
Hi! Hello! Hello! Pauwi na! Doon, hindi ka nagsabi lang. Video pala kayo doon.
Kinausap namin yung may-ari doon. Ito.
Ito yung...
Are educated.
So, binabayaan na nila.
Oh. But some of them, like your son, is in agriculture,
Yeah.
right?
You know the problem there? My daughter is an agricultural
Ah, daughter.
graduate.
But not here.
Picture ka niya, ipugo mo ka.
LSU.
Picture ka niya, ipugo mo ka.
3 years ago.
Sige,
I
sige.
was calling her to give me the methods of farming. And then she said, "No, there is no need of teaching you the method. You can use the old method. Because what you are planting is the old varieties. Not unless if you are planting the new varieties, you can attain your request.
Oh.
That's not good. Because we want to learn also the method.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are applying the old method.
This is now the Banawi Rice Terraces. Welcome and mabuhay!
Halin lang.